He's got a union card and he's practicing hard. Can play the guitar, gonna be a big star. Yeah, he's gonna go far, and Jerry Moonbeam's home in a jar. You know the Chet's guitar chord C-O-D makes A and E, and he's working on B, Dick C and W and R and B, and me and the chimpanzee agree that one day soon he'll be a celebrity. Get it, get it, get it. Ow! Guitar man and his jungle band, he's all you can stand. Give him a hand, guitars and do it, son. She kindles his flame, but it drives him insane. When he hears her sing, she really does her thing. It's her claim to fame. Come on and sing! Yeah, come on and sing it, Jane. Baby, baby, oh baby, skidoo-ba-doo-ba baby, skidoo-ba-doo-ba baby, oh baby. Come on, folks, let's hear it for Jane.
Well, we got a pet monkey and he likes to get drunky. He'll sing Funky Wookie and it sounds real funky. Come on, it's your time, boy. Sing it for us right now. Okay, let's hear it for the big old fat monkey.
Don't break your neck, Rolfe.
On Saturday night, they need some excitement.
Jane gets right and the monkey gets tight.
And their voices unite
In the pale moonlight,
and it sounds alright.
It's dynamite.
It's out of sight.
let's hear it right now. Now.
Shut up, man. I'm trying to sing.
I'm gonna break Rolfe's neck. What fun, la la la.
This happened once before when I came to your door. No reply. They said it wasn't you, but I saw you peep through your window.
You know, if you break my heart, I'll go, but I'll be back again. 'Cause I told you once before goodbye, but I came back again.
Asked a girl what she wanted to be. She said, baby, can't you see? I wanna be famous, a star on the screen, but you can do something in between. Baby, you can drive my car. Yes, I'm gonna be a star. Baby, you can drive sun.